Hey guys, and welcome to Escapable Watch Reviews. My name is Steve, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Pagani Design PD1716. So this is the brand new Black Bay 36 homage from the Pagani Design official store on AliExpress. They contacted me, asked me if I wanted to review it. I said absolutely, and so they sent me this one, and they also sent me another one. I don't exactly know which color this one is. I think I know which one it is because they told me they sent it out first, and this is the one that first arrived, but I don't really know. So we're going to open it up and we'll get right into it. Okay. So as you can see, I actually asked for the white one, but it looks like they sent me the silver one instead. That's all right. It does look pretty good. Yeah, really interesting actually. Kind of like that silver sunburst effect. Alright guys, so here we are, finally unboxed, unwrapped, all that stuff. Give it a little polish here just to see how the polishing and brushing looks real quick. Okay, looks pretty good. Yep, we'll do a deep dive on that here in a little bit. One thing I'm noticing already, the outer links of the bracelet are polished, and I don't like that. I don't know why they did that. I will be brushing this bracelet eventually, I think. So yeah, that's the watch though. It looks pretty good. It is a little bit thinner. So it's 11.5 thick and 36.8 in diameter. 44.3 lug to lug and 20 millimeter lug width. Yep. And so that's just small, just slightly smaller than the Phylida here. So here's the Phylida side by side with it. And yeah, I mean, the Pagani Design looks really good. It looks really, really good. I'm going to do the full review here in a little while. I just got this in today, figured I'd get it on camera for you. This is the silver dial, I'm assuming. I think the white dial is actually fully loomed. That's the one I was hoping to get, but they sent me this one instead. But it does look pretty good. I like the sunburst on it. And they are also sending me the Tiffany blue one. So I think I'm going to wear this around for a couple days. And when the Tiffany blue one comes in, I'll do the full review of this watch and show both colors and yeah, go into full detail on it. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do have the new Pagani Design style clasps, which I'm a big fan of. The bracelet, yeah, not the greatest. Feels pretty jangly, but hopefully it's very comfortable. It does look like screw pins for adjusting, which is nice. NH35 inside, see-through case back there. And I had no problems with the crown. Everything turned over at the right time. Even the date there looks like it's, get these hands out of the way. And the date looks like it's centered in there nicely. So overall, I am pretty happy with this. Just trying to see if these are actually, I mean, they're polished. All the indices are polished. It looked kind of like they were black online, but they are polished. Maybe they're, I don't know, it's kind of a dark gunmetal almost. I'm trying to just compare it to, yeah, they do kind of look like a dark gunmetal maybe. Maybe they're a dark gunmetal. Just comparing it side by side to the Phylida there, you can see the Phylida looks a little more silver. So, but it does contrast nicely with that dial. We'll go into all sorts of detail with this thing, and yeah, in the full review, hopefully early next week, I'll be able to get that up. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.